got the Plouise small advent calendar or advent box to unbox for you guys. How pretty is this? It is actually stunning. I don't know how to get into it yet, but it is so pretty. I'm hoping that I can kind of keep this looking like this and use this as a gift box for my nieces, some of my nieces' Christmas presents. This cost me £55, and it isn't a 12-day. I think it's 10. So I think that's a bit odd. I think they should have made it a 12-day so it actually is an advent. It's called the Magic in the Memories Budget Box Edition. But we're going to unbox it. I'm going to tell you whether I think it's worth £55. I will say I'm so gutted that this did not come before the 1st of December. It didn't even come on the 1st of December, even though they promised it would. But I mean, it happens. I'm not going to hold it against them. Yeah. We're going to unbox it and see. So now you open the little house, because it's a house, and it has a little lip here. So I'm thinking we lift this lip. I don't want to break it because it is so pretty. It is stunning. If you can hear a bell ring, and that is my hair bubble, I'm very sorry. Yeah, so we've got this little, like, boxy thing, lifty thing here. And we're just going to unbox it. I'm hoping not to, like, wreck it, but it's waffling down at me. So, yeah, I think it's a 10-day. So we've got day number, should we go from 1 to 10? We'll start with 1, which is at the bottom. So we have day number 1. So this is £55. So this works out at £5.50 per day. You guys know I like to work it out per day. So we'll see. I don't know the prices of Plouise products, so that's the only thing. Right, so the first item we've got here is Don't Sleep on Me, I Peel Good. Ooh, this is a lip sleeping mask, and this is, I think banana flavoured or scented, because it's got little bananas on the side. But this looks really nice. I think it is definitely bananas. We're going to have a sniff, and anyways, I'm not going to swatch things unless I know I'm definitely going to keep them, because I may give these to my niece, because I feel like the packaging and everything is very much like, you know, younger girl. I mean, I love it, to be honest. So this is Don't Sleep on Me lip sleeping mask. Let's have a look. Oh my god, that smells like straight up bananas. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. Oh wow, that is exciting. That is straight up bananas. And how cute is the packaging on this? Oh my god, actually stunning. Buzzing with that item. It's straight up bananas. That is amazing. Yeah, chuffed with day number 1. And I think that would be £5.50. I think it would be way over £5.50. So that was day number 1. We want to day number 2. Is here. Right, let's have a look. See, we have got the Plouise Good Night and Glisten Moisturiser. I didn't even know they done moisturiser. It says it's rich in vitamin C and E, which promotes collagen production and overnight repair, which I definitely need. Calm and soothing and suitable for irritated or sensitive skin. I have got that. And it's just basically a moisturiser. I'm very excited about this. This is the packaging here. It's very nice. It's quite weighty. I've got the product here on my hands. This is what the product looks like. Not this glittery stuff on the side of it. It's quite like a gel formula, but it's got like the most bizarrest texture. It's not a texture I'm used to in a cream. It feels nice. It's very mildly scented, so it hasn't got much of a scent, which I do prefer in skincare, to be honest. I'm really excited about trying this. I want to look up the price, because it's the fact that whether this is really bougie, like, because if it's like Temple Spa prices, is it Temple Spa? Temple Spa prices, I'd rather purchase my Temple Spa cream. Well, I mean, this could blow that one out of the water, but yeah, I'm just judging before I try. But yeah, I'm very excited about that. I didn't realise we were going to get products like that. So next we got day number 3. So this is it here. It's in a lovely little box. Right, let's have a look what this is. So it looks like it's a blush. This is in the shade, I don't know. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. Now the packaging, I will say, is quite hard to get into, and I hate ripping packaging. I've just snapped that trying to get into this. But this is what the shade looks like. It looks very pretty, very nice, and it's definitely up my sort of street. And this is what the like applicator looks like. So it's a bit like the Charlotte Tilbury one. Very nice, very pretty. I'm quite excited to try this, but I want to see whether we get other blushes. So I don't know what else we're gonna get. You know, I definitely think that $5.50's worth. I feel like everything we've unboxed up to now has been the $5.50's worth in my opinion, because they're not small sizes, and I know Plouise products aren't the cheapest. So yeah, that was day number 3. We're on day number 4, which is a long product like this, or a long box like this I should say. We have got a lip kit. So this you could really use like as a gift in itself. It's like sealed. This is give your lips the luxury they deserve. I'm not the biggest lippy person, if you know me. Like well, I wear red lips, but you know what I mean. Oh my god, this looks like it's right up my street though. I've just seen the shades. Look at the shades. The shade is Ruby Slipper and Rose Garden. So glad it's a red. I know not everyone would want a red. I know that, but I do like a red. So the lip liner, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a sharp nail pencil lip liner. So this probably will definitely be something that I keep for myself. I'm 100% a red girl, and I've heard so many good things about Plouise lip products in general. But if you didn't wear reds and you knew somebody, say like me, who likes to wear red, oh, I've got lip stuff all over it now, who like to wear red, this would make such a fab gift because it comes in a box and everything, and the lipstick is massive. I'm not going to say what that looks like because that's just me and my filthy mind. This is quite heavy. It's in the shade Rose Garden. Look at that. Oh my god, how beautiful is that? So pretty. Oh, and it's so weighty. It's so much heavier than a MAC lipstick. Oh, look at that. You guys know I love a red. I didn't even want to swatch it. Oh my god, it's magnetic and all. I didn't want to swatch it because the indentation on it was so pretty. But yeah, I'm actually buzzing with that, like buzzing with that. Favourite day so far, 100%. Day number 5 is this one here. Right, this is bubble wrap, so I'm guessing maybe a blush or something. Right, this is a highlighter powder, and it is in the shade A Beam of Blinding Glow by the looks of it. Right, let's have a look. I think I've had a Plouise. Oh my god, look at the packaging on this. I mean, I'm sorry, but look at the packaging on this. Oh, that is something else. Wow, that is a gold highlighter though. That is gold. Wow. I just don't think this would work for my skin tone, but this would be stunning on the eyes as well. You know, if it was a bit dark for your skin tone and you didn't have 1,000 eyeshadows like me. Yeah, how stunning is that? The packaging is gorgeous on this. Yeah, actually stunning. I mean, oh my god, that is just the most stunningest, beautifulest thing I've ever seen in my life. That was day number 5. We want day number 6. I think 6 is this one, but I'm not 100% sure because 6 and 9 look very alike. But I think this is day number 6, quite large. Let's have a look. Right, it looks like it might be a palette. Oh, it's a best friends palette, I think. Half of my best friends palette. So it takes 2. So I don't get the thing of this. Is this 2 separate palettes? I honestly don't know. Can't get the packaging. It's so hard. Right, so this is what it looks like here. Really quite pretty. The packaging is very pretty. Oh my god, it lights up. It lights up. It lights up. I've seen it all. The little eyeshadow lights up. I've seen it all. It is a beautiful eyeshadow, very natural nude tones, 4 little hearts, quite dark, then it gets lighter, lighter, lighter. Very pretty indeed. Yeah, I'm just so shocked that it lit up. Yeah, that is really pretty. How pretty is that? I can't get over that. Yeah, super cute. I love eyeshadows, like smaller eyeshadow palettes. I mean, this, even though it's meant like smaller amount of shades, quite bulky. But yeah, I'm quite excited about that. It's very pretty. That was day number 6. So we went to day number 7, which is this one here. And we have got another lip drip. This is the thick formula. This is the Ready For You. Oh, a red lip gloss. I don't think that for me. You guys know I'm not into the whole red lip gloss thing. Yeah, this is a red lip gloss. I'm not even going to take it out the packaging. This is it. Yeah, this will definitely not be something I love a red lip, but not a red glossy lip. This is as much as non-matte that I would go, you know, where I've got on today, which is quite a bougie one. It's a Giorgio Armani one. But yeah, just in case you're wondering, actually I'll tell you what it is. It is a Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro in 405 Sultan. But yeah, I mean, it's nice, just not for me. So we got day number 8, which is this one here. We have got something called cotton candy. We don't say sorry for setting. Wet and set. What are you? I don't know what this is. It's a wet and set setting shadow in the shade cotton candy. I don't know what this is. I've never heard of anything like this. Is it one of their bases? I honestly don't know, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to have to look into this. I've never heard of this. Yeah, but fab. Something different. You know, I like a bit of differenceness. So that was 8. Went day number 9, so we're coming to the end. So it is definitely only 10 days. Right, so day number 9 is the double-ended liner. Don't be afraid to fly, babe. We're all just winging it. Okay. This is what the applicator looks like. It's like a, I don't know what, is it like a pen type tip? I honestly don't know what they are. But yeah, it's not a brush. Like a foamy tip. So yeah, that's canny. I'm not the mega biggest excited about that. I don't wear eyeliner. Once every 6 months I would say I wear eyeliner. But I know a lot of people don't go without wearing eyeliner. So that was 9. So we're on day number 10, which is the last day, and it's heavy. So this is the Rise and Shine Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Confidence in your skin means confidence within, and it's a hyaluronic acid serum. I'm very excited about this, to be honest. Yeah. Should we have a look at... I'm just going to leave it all sealed up because I think I'll keep its integrity. But that was the Plouise Avancanda, the smaller one, for £55. You know what? Looking at all these products, they're all full size. Nothing's mini, as far as I know. So I definitely think it's worth the £55. I don't feel like I've got done over with my money or anything like that. But I do just think they could have just put 2 mini products in, like even small products, just to make it the 12 days. In my opinion, that is the only gripe I have with this Avancanda. Everything else I am so over the moon with. So yeah, in the box I'm going to use for my niece. I am so excited. Yeah, I'm going to like make her a little gift hamper and this little house. I think it's stunning. And I'm probably going to put a few Plouise products in there with it. Yeah, so I'm over the moon with this box. Let me know, like, this little Avancanda house. The only gripe I would say is they could have put, even if they, like, because obviously the value is definitely there, even if they put 2 little minis in for 2 other days, so it was a 12-day, that's the only gripe I have. But yeah, I'm absolutely over the moon. I just now need to decide which items I'm keeping for myself, which I'm going to give for Christmas presents and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love to be subscribed down below. I hope you are enjoying my 24 days of Christmas, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.